Hi, I'm Allison Walther with Confluent. Apache Kafka is the de facto data infrastructure for storing and transporting events, and ksqlDB has emerged as the best way to process those streams of events. In this course, I'm going to show the basics of ksqlDB. We'll cover things like how to filter and transform streams of data, how to join a stream to a table, what even is the difference between a stream and a table, and how to query tables and streams with pull and push queries. We'll look at some other common utility functions like flattening out nested records, changing serialization formats, and merging and splitting streams. We'll also look at ksqlDB's Kafka Connect integration that lets you connect to external systems using the same SQL syntax as the rest of the language. Many of the lessons are paired with exercise screencasts where I'll show you step-by-step how to apply each subject in Confluent Cloud. You can copy and paste all the code you'll need right here on Confluent Developer. If stream processing is an important part of your work, you'll definitely want to learn ksqlDB, and this course is the perfect way to get started.